Perfect set out to identify and promote the ways in which green infrastructure can maximise the efficient use of resources, help to reduce greenhouse gases, increase competitiveness, and improve the health and well-being of citizens.
It's helped us to raise attention to green infrastructure policy and drawn out the practical issues that need to be considered. Two key projects that were made possible through our learnings demonstrate this. The first is a new design guide for Cornwall, which sets out a resource for officers and applicants to use for visualising how green infrastructure should look and how it should operate. But it's also led to wider systemic changes being initiated. We're also using the experience from Amsterdam and pilot status that we've been given by Interreg to create a Green Schools programme. This takes our learning and helps schools to influence a new generation of decision makers to the benefits of green infrastructure and environmental improvement.
Perfect has been important to us because it has helped us in the development of green schoolyards. First, the health perspective was not really included, but we paid attention to that, and now health is more integrated. This also helps designers to realize that green schoolyards can contribute to health of the kids that are playing there.
The Service Centre for Volunteering Terre Estensi is coordinating a participatory project born by Perfect and called Urban Forestry. It's financed by regional public funds to promote participatory democracy. The project objective is to co-design public green spaces as an opportunity for the urban and social regeneration of the two districts involved.
Over the last 2 years of the project, we have organised capacity building events for local authorities which have drawn on and disseminated the work of Perfect. These have focused on what makes a strong policy and have given attendees the tools needed to strengthen their local plans to enable the delivery of more green infrastructure. From the start of the project, partners learnt in detail about the specific challenges and opportunities in each region, and practices and policies from each country were dissected and evaluated. This in-depth knowledge gained has been invaluable for understanding how different approaches can be used in situations.
With Perfect, we have developed a tool to involve people in the process and design of a new green space in their neighbourhood. If a green space fits their expectations, then it will probably be used better. The tool is called the Healthy Green Pointer, and it's now being used for the design of a new park in Amsterdam.
Thanks to Perfect project, I have learned that the difference between to project a green area and to project a green infrastructure. I have learned how green infrastructure can change our city system.
By visiting partners, we learned about problems they were dealing with and thought about solutions.
It also seems that through Perfect we could inspire other partners, since we are seeing more green schoolyards being developed now.
There really is nothing like meeting and talking to people from across Europe who have a shared goal of improving green infrastructure policy in their regions to help understand the different perspectives and inspire new initiatives. Interregional cooperation is at the heart of the project. It has helped us to realise that despite the different contexts and situations, many places are facing common challenges and barriers to delivering green infrastructure. It is reassuring to understand that other countries face similar challenges, and we can learn a lot about how to deal with these by learning about the responses from other places.